Mind games, trade wars. Recently, there have been many headlines about proposed tariffs that could lead to a trade war. While we don't know what the future holds, we need to maintain perspective. Since 1997, the market has experienced several shocks. In 97 and 98, we had an Asian and Russian financial crisis. A few years later, we had the tech bubble that burst. Then we experienced a severe financial crisis which is still burned into many of our memories. A few years later, it was the European debt crisis. In 2011, there was a larger debt crisis. The U.S. temporarily shut down and there was talk of a default. That was a scary time, but ended up being a temporary setback. How about Ebola, the Grexit, and Brexit? Those instilled fear at the time, but had no lasting impact. A few years ago, we had concerns of a global economic slowdown. Earlier this year, we experienced a surge in volatility and lots of fear-mongering. And now, we have talk of tariffs and trade wars. There have been many times when fear and anxiety were present in the markets and resulted in temporary setbacks. We can't control nor predict the future, but we do control our reactions and our decisions. Our recommendation is to allow your personal plan to guide your decisions rather than the story of the day or the emotions of the moment.